So like I don't know if you guys can tell, right? But I'm sad today, right now. And it's because I've decided, right, that I'm gonna return my friend Dika back to nature. You feel me? Because like I can't afford like the kinds of food that they eat. You see? So I think, and me, I'm not here to make God's creatures to suffer, right? But this is a one in a million. This is like a Pokemon right here. If you know a game called Pokemon and how popular it used to be in 2019, if you had one of these, right, it's synonymous to that, to having a Pokemon, a one in a million billion chance type of creature. So, but I have to give it back to Mother Nature. You feel me? Because I can't provide for him like nature will. So, final bye bye. This is a beautiful creature right here.